Well, that's the end of this game of skate. We got this! All right, guys, we are very excited to be here today with Kilian Martin.
I'm excited.
To destroy me. You might know Kilian from every single skateboard video on the internet that went viral. You saw that one?
Not true.
I did too. I saw it too. It was amazing.
His videos were viral.
Amazing. So I show up today and they're like, hey, Aaron, you're gonna play Anything Counts Game of Skate versus Kilian. And I was like, oh, great. This is gonna go well. You know how this works?
Yeah, I think so.
Please don't kill me off on everything. So if you've ever seen his skating, you know that he can literally do any trick anywhere in any style of skateboarding, and I can't even do a heel flip.
He's too kind.
So let's go. Rochambeau.
Okay.
Yes! And if you've ever seen me play this, I like to cheat.
Okay.
I don't know what to do, Daniel. Do I start with like regular tricks or do I start like cheating?
Just one regular one.
Start cheating?
Oh,
okay.
cheating.
Oh, we're also playing skateboard, by the way. Maybe I should do it laser flip. Should I?
Yeah.
Right off the bat?
I don't know about now.
Okay, when I say I cheat, this is what I mean right here. 1 foot.
How does that even work?
I don't know. I learned it while riding buses.
With this one?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, see?
Wow. So that's what cheating is about.
That's what cheating is about. That one gets everybody. I don't know why. There's a lot of letters to go.
Okay.
And then I'm sure the second it's your turn, game over. I really want to try a laser flip. I guess I'm going to warm up with a heel flip though, because that's a smart idea, right? Heel flip, just so you know, is the trick I can't do. All those laser flips, paying off. He just put me to shame. Varial heel, then laser?
Yeah, that's a good sequence.
Okay. Well, that's the end of this game of skate. Go ahead.
Let's see.
Put me on Just started off basic, you know, real simple. That was like 12 turns, 19 spins. Anything counts?
Yeah, you have another chance.
Yeah, I know. The thing is that I don't know if I can I feel, you know how like when you do varial flips, then you learn tray flips and you can no longer do varial flips? It might be that same thing with varial heels. I'm gonna spend all day on that. He's gonna land it first try. I can just feel every bone in my body breaking, trying to just grab my board. Ah! You know, like when you have like a worst nightmare situation, like showing up to class naked? This is me.
Okay, let's see.
That didn't no way. Reals? He's like, well, let's see. What is that? A finger varial heel flip.
That's basically. You're good at varial heel flip. You should do it. Bend your knees. You got it.
I feel like I'm too tall to bend over that far.
You can jump high.
I should be able to jump higher. My arms are long. I should be able to grab it and flip it. No problem. It's just like in my head. When I was a kid, this is what I did. I did pop shove it, tail grabs, big spin tail grab. Now, no grabs. I mean, if I worked on that for like 7 years straight, I might be able to land that trick.
I didn't see the foot in the ground.
Hold on. Before I try that, I gotta get something.
What's he going to grab? The mop? Ah, there we go.
The chances of me cracking my dome on this are pretty high. Oh, man. I'm glad he's not taking it easy on me, you know? I feel honored. Oh! Oh! My neck! That's it. Time to take him out.
That's true.
war of attrition. Wear him out. Dang, boy.
Haven't done this in years.
I just had to make sure I could still land tricks. I was so like, I've missed so many tricks in a row, I forgot how to skateboard. He just popped like 83 times higher than every trick I've ever done. Did you notice that? Varial heel? Yeah. Don't fear the Reaper, Aaron! Daniel! Dang it! Why? Ah, both of you Daniels. Okay, I tried to do this in my garage the other day and it was the most embarrassing experience I've ever experienced. Oh. Do I have to grab the nose? He says, yeah. Oh, wait, helmet? No. I don't need a helmet. Something about crossing the legs, it really freaks me out, you know? Oh, you didn't know we're going to skateboarding rules in America. Fake it. What's your strategy on this game?
I'm trying to keep up with you.
Shut up! He's literally not even trying. It's the heel bruise. You know, would have landed every trick if it wasn't for that heel bruise, especially the finger burial heel flip. Woo! Beat him at his own game, they said. You can do it, they said. I learned that trick and I forgot which way the board is supposed to be. Remember like the varial flip out?
Oh, yeah.
Because I'm sure he's never done that, you know? I think I got fleas in my beard. I mean, I know I'm not gonna win, I'm just getting it close as we can here, you know what I'm saying? Okay, it's time. Why, Daniel? No! For real?
Should have been warmed up enough for that one.
I really?
That was bad.
What, for real?
I think you just need a laser flip.
Yeah, here's what happened. I learned this new way to move your foot to laser flip. Now varial heel flip. I keep going, laser flip position? Varial heel flip. What's love got to do with it? It's like a really bad 3-shove, but it kind of looks like it. Let's go back to one of my classic favorites. Yeah, boy! Slight northwestern breeze, 45 degrees. I've never landed this in a game of skate, Kilian. Never.
You got it.
Okay. Oh! Fetty, did you see it? Daniel didn't think I had it in me. Daniel didn't think you could do it. No.
That was amazing.
Thanks. You got it, you got it.
No, I've never done it.
Okay. So I stop, and then I do a handstand, and then I do a finger flip, and my body does a 180, right?
Yeah.
I got this.
Cartwheel.
Like a cartwheel.
Okay,
I
do
can
a
cartwheel.
cartwheel.
Hey, Uzi and Fetty, I need your help on this one.
Yeah, that's it.
Why are you laughing? Fetty, Uzi. Actually, Troy and Uzi, I need your help. Help me out. Teamwork is the dream work. Just
What do you think?
playing. Okay, you ready? I'm gonna go down, and you guys grab my legs.
Yeah, how does this?
Hey, we got this! We got this! Wait, you really got me?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Well, that was incredible.
Good.
I'm glad I at least
You
got
won.
a letter on you. No, you won.
I don't think so. Who's keeping up?
Oh, well, 17 broken arms later. That was amazing.
You were amazing.
No, you were amazing.
Woke up, didn't land anything.
You landed literally everything. Finger varial heel flip. That's one
That's about
I'm
it.
probably not going to be doing ever. Okay, well, a huge thanks to Kilian for coming out here.
Thank you for having me.
Make sure you guys follow Kilian on Instagram. Link in that description below. Kilian Martin, SK8. Check out all those other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, and even you back there, you have to learn how to skateboard. It's your time. Let's go.